It is Saturday and I am working today. I never work on the weekend, but this is a special Saturday where we are filming a couple things, a few interviews for curriculum that we've created. Because of that, I am at the office super early in the morning. So I probably haven't worked a Saturday since January. It was for something very similar, filming. It's a lot easier filming on Saturdays because no one is in the office and it doesn't interrupt people's workflow. We'll check in later. So I just finished up cleaning up the film shoot. I was filming from 7 a.m. till maybe like 3:30, 4:30. I don't know. I'm on my way to a barbecue. I'm so late right now. I was supposed to be there at 6 and it's 6:42. So we're gonna jump over there. I can't top that.
Travis is still looking good after his runs. For all those ex-girlfriends out there, Travis is looking great. That was wild.
I forget how slippery this pool is.
It's a slippery slope. It's a slippery slope.
You call that? Billy up. Okay, go.
It's called the Billy.
It's called the Frank.
Come on, come on.
Well,
do it.
Billy, you gotta let some. What's your head? Why am I supposed to get it all by yourself? Oh my god!
You're so strong.
Frank with minimal assistance.
Whoa! Instant replay.
Accepted.
Instant replay.
What was going through your mind? So as I stepped on a diving board, I was kind of scared for like 4 minutes straight. Then I just decided I got balls. Something you don't expect from Joe.
I know. It like throws me off.
You can do it!
Look at it.
Now she's got to do it standing though.
Thank you. That's what you said.
Thank you.
Hi, Goose. Hi, Goose.
You can call me, you can call me. You know that you can tell everyone if you want me the way I want you. Got my number, you know what to do, yeah.
Whistle.
He's got a new drill set, okay? And it's called the Milwaukee Fuel 1 Key. So what 1 Key is this system that lets you track your tools. You can see right here. It also lets you set up all these different settings on your tools.
What do you mean track? Like if somebody steals them?
Basically, it tells you where your tool's at. I don't know how accurate it is. I've heard that people say it only tracks up to 100 feet.
Well, that's probably smart, even if you like, you know, put them places you forget. And if your car gets stolen. Sorry, Case.
It tells you where it's at, Case. I'm so sorry. I'm glad you found your car. So check this out. This is this drill. It's got the serial number here, 1975. You can look, it says 1975. I click on that drill. It's running right now. I connect to it. It tells you also where it was located. Did you see that? There. Oh my gosh, it's my house. Right, you click connect, and I connect to it. Now the cool thing is, if somebody's using my tool,
No.
and I don't want to, see how it's running right now?
No.
I just hit this tool lock. Travis, go ahead and just pull the trigger.
Oh my gosh.
Just pull it.
No way! That is so creepy, but so cool.
Yeah, and then I'm like, oh yeah, no, you can't have it. I want to use it though.
That is so, like, this is like perfect for my brother's situation, unfortunately.
It's unfortunate, but yeah. It's the best drill combo kit rated by ProToolReview.com. And I got, this whole set is usually around $380. I got it for $304.
Through your Instagram or no?
Thanks, Amazon. No.
Oh, just Amazon?
Yeah, Amazon.
Amazon.
That's all.
Sounds like a
That's my little fun wonky stuff. I love this stuff.
Shout out to Cal's Instagram, which is
Electra_Cal_apprentice. But you can just call it Electra Cal Apprentice.
He does cool stuff.
Come and follow me, yeah. And then like
Crescendo.
And then I get like, no, that was a day crescendo.
Day
crescendo. And then like glitter just falls slowly. Glitter. But it's like manly glitter. So like welding sparks and.
Oh, that's actually nice glitter then.
Yeah.
Manly glitter. Guys, I'm home. I'm home. Just kidding. It's just a store. It's a store.
The people on his hip here.
I mean, I don't even like Hollywood, so.
This may never start, but you could fall apart.
Yeah.
Not be your memory.
Sugar Colt. This was when I was like in 7th grade. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that
Get a phone call here.
That does sound like a...
Oh, it's Bill Chest. He just ruined the song. I love Billy. Hey, Bill. Oh. Bill? Bill, is that you? Okay, Cal, it's Cal here. Hey, Bill. Yeah, well, hey.
So hard.
Just driving. I'm with Travis. Yeah, apparently I'm a funny guy.